Namaste and welcome to Simply Kaushiki. Motherhood is a beautiful journey, isn't it? I remember feeling torn between fostering my daughter's independence and keeping her comfortable at the same time. As she started school, I realized I needed systems to help her manage daily tasks on her own. Well, by no means I am an expert, but these simple changes have transformed her space, making her routine calmer and more independent. While I love home decor, but sometimes I prioritize her habit building for a brighter future. And it begins by a simple bed. Making a ritual can set a tone for the day ahead. I have established a easy routine for my daughter so that she can make her own bed daily and change the beddings weekly. It is one of those little habits that build independence and prepares her for the day ahead. I call this small steps, big results. One of the favorite additions is her cozy reading corner. A comfy chair, a blanket, few books make it a perfect little nook. It is like her personal storytime spot or a coloring book hideout spot. Having a desk or a specific corner where she knows it's time to focus has been a game changer. It's like her own little office where she can get things done. This is a foldable study table where we got the brackets from Amazon and the tabletop is a custom made. It's perfect space saver for this small room. This wall organizer has become a dedicated space to display her creations. It's a personal gallery. Seeing her art every day boosts her confidence and keeps her motivated to keep creating. This set from IKEA came with multiple accessories like these clips, hooks, shelf and caddies. We added some additional clips to this to hang few of her extra artwork.
Through the arbor in the garden room, wings are beating, baby, me and you alone. Pencil drawing phases of the moon, all through the stages, both becoming seen into.
I have added a file organizer to keep all her school books. This tablet organizer from IKEA holds her tablet and headphones. Next to her desk, this is a wall shelf that we have combined to create a larger surface to keep all her school supplies, like this little caddy for all little things from pencil to markers. Everything is kept in these caddies.
Beneath the shadows of this quiet town, I see you there, your feathers on the ground. Your eyes are heavy with the weight of the world. What's in a life you never.
This bin particularly helps her to clean up fast and holds her iron box and iron mat. Creating a dedicated space for her school bag, it's a simple change that has made her mornings so much smoother.
Even if you never flown before, you can take a chance and try once more. Don't let your worries weigh you down, down, down. You can still take flight, although you're earthbound.
To help her stay organized during school projects, we have set up small bins and pouches for all her stationery. It's a personal toolbox for creativity and schoolwork. This bin holds all her finished crochet projects, rubber band, wristband, I don't know what all bands, all the projects, finished ones, they all stay in this bag. This big basket contains all her crochet tools and all the yarns. Crochet has been her latest love recently, and she has been creating multiple little projects. Creating an easy access to her favorite craft and toy supplies in these open basket has made a world of difference. The cleanup and the access both is very easy. For a smoother morning, we have created this basket where she has all her basic grooming supplies like comb, deodorant, nail clippers and many other knick-knack things. I hope these ideas inspire you to bring more organization and calm into your child's room and daily routine. Do let me know in comments which tip or idea you are excited to try. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home organization tips. Until next time, happy organizing.